Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to manually enter bank deposits and payments into your Xero bank account. Sometimes you may need to manually add transactions to your bank account in Xero, especially if they don't automatically import or you have offline transactions. Let's walk through how to do that. Step 1 is to access your bank account in Xero. This is the Xero dashboard. First, you want to click on the accounting in your menu. Next, select Bank Accounts. You'll see all your linked bank accounts here. Select the bank account where you want to enter the transaction. So we will select checking account. Next, click on New Transaction. And let's do the drop down to New Received Money. To record a deposit, here you want to enter all the details of the deposit. Start by filling in the date. Then enter who you receive this money from. This could be a customer, a bank, or any other entity. Next, choose the correct count where the money is going to be recorded, such as sales or income. Enter the amount and any other details like payment method and reference. Once all the details are entered, click Save to complete the transaction. Now let's record a payment. From the drop-down, we would select New Spent Money. As with the deposit, fill in the date of the payment. Next, choose the contact, which could be a supplier, a service provider, or a vendor. Then you want to select the account you're paying from. For example, you might use expenses or accounts payable, depending on the type of payment. Enter the amount and any other necessary payment details. Once everything looks good, click Save to finish. Step 4 is to reconcile your bank account. After adding your deposits and payments, you'll need to reconcile these transactions with your actual bank statement. Click on Reconcile, and Xero will compare the transactions you've entered with your bank statement. Match any transactions, and you're done. And that's it. You now successfully enter a bank deposit and a payment manually into Xero. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more Xero tips and tutorial. Thanks for watching.